Hi everyone, today we're going to dive into the world of the stock market and understand how it all works. For many people, the stock market can be confusing and intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Picture yourself standing on the trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange, surrounded by the sounds of shouting traders, ringing bells, and the constant clatter of computer keyboards. This is where the stock market comes to life, where fortunes are made and lost, and where the wheels of the world's economy turn. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where stocks, or ownership interests in companies, are bought and sold. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of the company, and as the company grows and earns profits, the value of your stock can increase. How does the stock market work? The stock market works through the process of buying and selling stocks. When a company wants to raise capital, it can issue stocks, which are then bought by investors. These investors hope to make a profit by buying low and selling high. But how do you know when to buy and sell a stock? That's where stock market analysis comes in. By looking at factors such as a company's earnings, its competitors, and the overall state of the economy, investors make informed decisions about which stocks to buy and sell. Types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks: common stock and preferred stock. Common stock is the type of stock that most people think of when they think of the stock market. It gives its owners a share of the company's profits and a vote in company decisions. Preferred stock, on the other hand, does not give its owners a vote, but it does give them a fixed dividend and a higher claim on the company's assets. So, which is better? It depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for growth potential, common go. But if you're looking for a more predictable return, preferred stock might be a better choice. How to invest in the stock market? Investing in the stock market can be as simple as opening a brokerage account and buying a stock. But there are many different strategies for investing in the stock market, and it's important to choose the one that's right for you. Some people prefer to buy and hold, holding onto their stocks for years or even decades. Others prefer to trade frequently, looking to make short-term gains. And still others prefer to invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, which give them exposure to a diversified portfolio of stocks. Risks and rewards of investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over the long term, but it's not without risks. The value of stocks can be volatile, and there's always the risk that a company will perform poorly or that the economy will take a turn for the worse. So, is investing in the stock market right for you? Only you can answer that question. But if you're willing to take the risk and invest for the long term, the rewards can be substantial. It's important to remember that investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. By taking a long-term approach and diversifying your portfolio, you can help minimize your risks and maximize your rewards. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to the stock market. Now that you have a better understanding of how it works, you're ready to start your own journey in the world of investing. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Do your research, and learn as much as you can. And before you know it, you'll be standing on the trading floor, ready to make your mark in the stock market. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.